Kuya, welcome to the mansion. So here, they finished the kwarto of Cedric, the room of Cedric. They finished it already. Oh, oh my God. Look! Oh! Okay. Here. They finish it here. Yes. This is the first window. The second. And the third is in the sala/living room. This one. So, yeah, they finish it here. Kuya. Yeah. And here, they already did this side, but it's still not finished. You know? It's still kamuraching. You know, it's still not. It's kamuraching. Basta. Missy. Ay, no. Still not done. Like that. Yes. The worker, it's already. Manoy and Yo, they take a rest na because it's already happened in here. And then they will they will go back. The silingan is the neighbor is smiling at me because why I'm talking to the cell phone. Oh my God. But yeah, this is the Chiska and Jeremy room again. Here is the, look at, this is the point of view, Lumnos, Kuya. Point of view of their sala, and here is the, no. Yeah, living room over there, and here is the kitchen. You can see this is the point of view, and that two doors is the room. That's all. Thank you for watching my vlog again. Subscribe. Bye.